Today, I will be explaining one of the most important values, which is bayanihan. Bayanihan is a traditional Filipino values that represent unity, cooperation, and helping one another without expecting anything in return. The word bayanihan came from the word bayan, which means community or nation. It shows how Filipinos work together to achieve a common goal and help those who are in need. A classic example of bayanihan is when neighbors help a family move their house from one place to another. In the past, houses made or light materials like bamboo and nipa could be lifted and carried by many people. The whole community would gather, carry the house on their shoulder, and move it to a new location. This activity shows teamwork, unity, and kindness among people in the community. However, bayanihan is not only about carrying houses. Today, it can be in many different situations. For example, when a typhoon hits the country, many Filipinos volunteer to help victims by donating food, clothes, and money. People also help by giving shelter or participating in relief operation, like example in schools. Bayanihan can be seen when classmates help each other understand lesson or work together to finish the group projects. These simple acts of cooperation and kindness show that bayanihan is still alive in Filipino culture. The value of bayanihan appeals to me because it shows the true character of Filipinos. It reminds us that we are not alone and that we can always rely on others during difficult times. What I like the most about bayanihan is the idea that helping others does not require wealth or power. Even a simple action like sharing foods, offering assistance, or supporting someone who is struggling can already show the spirit of bayanihan. The message of bayanihan is the unity and cooperation make a community stronger. When people help each other, problems become easier to solve. Instead of facing challenges alone, we face them together as one community. These values, this value also teaches us to be compassionate, generous, and responsible members of society. By, by helping others, we create a positive environment where people feel supported and cared for. Through learning about bayanihan, I realized that this value should not only exist during emergencies or disasters. It should be also be practiced in our everyday lives. As a student, I can show bayanihan by helping my classmates when they are having difficulty with lessons or assignments. I can also show it by participating in school activities, cooperating in group projects, and respecting the needs of others. Bayanihan also reminds me that a small acts of kindness can make a difference sometimes. Simplifies listening to someone, offering help, or sharing that we have can already brighten someone's day. In today's modern world, where where many people are focused on themselves, the values our bayanihan remind us to care about others and to work together for the good of everyone. Bayanihan is more than a tradition. It is a powerful Filipino value that represents unity, kindness, and cooperation. By practicing bayanihan in our daily lives, we can help build a stronger community and a better nation. Thank you. And that's all. Thank you.